I'm preparing a solution.
Solution? What does it mean?
Simply, it is a composition of solute and solvent.
Solute and solvent? No. I'm getting confusion. Could you explain clearly?
Okay, I'll do it for you. Friends, take one clean boiling test tube and hold it with a holder like this. Now add distilled water to half of the test tube. With a spatula, add little quantity of sugar. Now close the test tube with rubber cork and shake it like this. Friends, observe it clearly. A clear colorless solution is forming in the test tube. This is called solution.
The components of a solution are called solute and solvent. The solute is the less quantity component, that is sugar, whereas the solvent is more quantity component, that is water. The whole composition of solute plus solvent is known as solution.